Imagine battling an enemy you can't see, but it pains you every day. That's what it feels like to live with stomach ulcers. But you've got a secret weapon, and that's your diet. No, we're not talking about the latest magic pill or a secret ancient remedy, but something as simple as the food you eat every day. When it comes to managing and healing stomach ulcers, your diet plays a crucial role. It's like the unsung hero in your battle against this invisible enemy. Certain foods are like soldiers, fighting for you from the inside, reducing inflammation and promoting healing. They help to soothe the irritated lining of your stomach, giving your body the chance to repair itself. It's not about a restrictive diet, but making smarter food choices and incorporating these healing foods into your daily meals. Now, let's dive into 7 superfoods that will help you fight this invisible enemy. At number 7, we have the humble cabbage, a superhero in the world of ulcers. Now, don't let its modest appearance fool you. This leafy green is packed with a powerful punch, ready to take on those pesky ulcers head-on. Cabbage is brimming with vitamins C and K, both essential for your overall health. But what makes it a true champion in the ulcer healing game is its high content of glutamine, an amino acid that promotes the growth and repair of the gastrointestinal lining. This means it helps to heal the damage caused by ulcers and prevents further erosion. Additionally, cabbage juice has been found to have some pretty impressive ulcer-fighting capabilities. It's been shown to speed up the healing process and reduce symptoms quicker than some conventional treatments. So, while it may not be the most glamorous vegetable out there, cabbage is a crucial ally when it comes to fighting stomach ulcers. So, don't underestimate the power of cabbage in your battle against stomach ulcers. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and that includes the gastroenterologist too. As we all know, apples are more than just a tasty snack. They're packed with high fiber content that helps in maintaining a healthy digestive system. But did you know that apples can also play a significant role in healing stomach ulcers? Yes, you heard that right. Apples with their high pectin content, a type of fiber, can help soothe the stomach lining and halt the growth of the H. pylori bacteria, a common culprit behind stomach ulcers. They're not just a source of comfort food, but also a source of relief. You can enjoy them fresh, bake them into a healthy dessert, or even blend them into a smoothie. Just remember, the skin is where most of the fiber is, so don't peel it off. So remember, an apple isn't just for teachers. It's for ulcer patients too. Sweet and healing, honey is not just a treat, it's a remedy. This golden elixir has been used for centuries as a natural healer, and it's no wonder why. Honey is packed full of antibacterial properties that can help in the healing of stomach ulcers. You see, ulcers are often caused by a type of bacteria known as H. pylori. The good news is that honey is a natural enemy to these pesky bacteria, helping to reduce their numbers and promote healing. But that's not all. Honey also soothes the stomach lining, reducing inflammation and pain. It coats the ulcer, providing a protective barrier that allows the ulcer to heal without further irritation. And let's not forget, honey is a natural energy booster, which can be a real blessing when you're dealing with the fatigue that often accompanies stomach ulcers. So, next time you reach for a sweet treat, make it honey. Green tea isn't just for weight loss anymore. This wonder beverage, steeped in centuries of tradition, is packed with antioxidants that are incredibly beneficial for your overall health. But let's talk about how it specifically aids those with stomach ulcers. One of the key components of green tea is an antioxidant known as epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG. This powerful antioxidant can help reduce inflammation and fight off the bacteria responsible for causing stomach ulcers. Moreover, green tea is known to stimulate the growth of gastric mucosa, the lining of your stomach, which can be a great ally in your fight against stomach ulcers. But that's not all. Apart from these, green tea can also help in improving digestion and reducing acidity, 2 factors that can significantly impact the healing process of ulcers. So why wait? Let's make green tea a part of our daily routine. After all, a cup a day can keep the ulcers at bay. So it's time to swap that coffee for some healing green tea. Garlic might give you bad breath, but it gives ulcers a tough fight. Now you might be thinking, garlic? Really? But yes, folks, this pungent little powerhouse is a true friend to our stomachs. Garlic is renowned for its antibacterial properties, and it's these very qualities that make it a formidable adversary to the bacteria known as Helicobacter pylori, or H. pylori for short. This pesky little critter is one of the main causes of stomach ulcers. When you eat garlic, its antibacterial properties get to work, helping to keep the H. pylori population in check. This, in turn, can prevent the formation of ulcers and even aid in healing existing ones. It's like having your own little army, right there in your stomach, battling against the invaders. So don't shy away from that garlic. It's a small price to pay for the big benefits. Yogurt is not just a side dish, it's a main player in the ulcer healing game. Now you might be thinking, yogurt? Really? Yes, really. This creamy delight is packed with probiotics, the good kind of bacteria that your gut loves. Probiotics work by balancing out the bad bacteria in your gut, which can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. This is especially important for those with stomach ulcers, as inflammation can exacerbate symptoms and slow down the healing process. But not just any yogurt will do. You want to look for yogurts that specifically mention they contain live and active cultures, as these are the ones with the probiotics you need. And the great thing about yogurt is its versatility. You can have it for breakfast, use it in a smoothie, or even as a healthy dessert. It's a tasty and easy way to help your body heal. So make sure you're adding some yogurt to your daily diet. And now, the star of the show, olive oil. You might know olive oil as a staple in your kitchen, a must-have for salads, or the secret ingredient to your grandma's secret pasta recipe. But did you know that this golden liquid is also a powerhouse when it comes to healing stomach ulcers? Olive oil is more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a natural medicine, packed with incredible health benefits. One of its most remarkable properties is its anti-inflammatory effect. Now, inflammation is a natural response of your body to protect itself from harm. But when it gets out of control, it can cause a raft of health issues, including stomach ulcers. However, olive oil, with its rich supply of antioxidants and healthy fats, can help control this inflammation. But that's not all. Olive oil also contains a compound called oleuropein. This compound has been shown to have antibacterial properties, which can be beneficial in fighting the bacteria Helicobacter pylori, a common cause of stomach ulcers. Moreover, olive oil aids in protecting the lining of your stomach and intestines. Its healthy fats form a protective layer that can shield your stomach walls from the damaging effects of excessive acid. This can help in the prevention and healing of ulcers. Now I know what you're thinking. How can I incorporate more olive oil into my diet? Well, it's simple. You can drizzle it over your salads, use it as a base for your stir-fries, or even just use it as a dip for your bread. The key is to use it regularly and consistently. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to healing. And while olive oil alone won't cure your ulcers overnight, incorporating it into a balanced diet alongside other ulcer-friendly foods can speed up your road to recovery. So next time you're in the kitchen, remember this golden rule. Olive oil is not just for cooking, it's for healing too. So the next time you're cooking, don't forget to drizzle some olive oil. And there you have it. 7 foods that can help you fight and heal stomach ulcers. We've journeyed through a garden of healing, from the leafy greens of cabbage to the crisp sweetness of apples, the natural goodness of honey, the calming brew of green tea, the pungent strength of garlic, the creamy delight of yogurt, and the liquid gold that is olive oil. These are more than just foods. They're tools in your arsenal against stomach ulcers, each with unique properties that promote healing and soothe discomfort. Remember, your diet plays a crucial role in your journey to wellness. Incorporate these 7 foods into your daily meals and witness the power of nature's pharmacy. But don't stop here. Continue your journey of learning and healing. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Remember, you have the power to heal. Let's use it wisely.